Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's story is as emotional as it was unexpected. The events between Baktash's mother swept the social media and no one expected this. Before we start, subscribe. Like and share this video, so as not to miss any moment from the famous news world. At a charity event held in Istanbul, mother of actress Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş, he crossed paths for the first time in a long time. When their eyes meet, the emotional weight of the past filled the room. Barış's mother froze for a moment. With an irresistible wave of emotion, he walked straight to Rain and hugged her tightly. With tears in his eyes, he whispered only one sentence: "You're my daughter." Eyewitnesses at the scene said that the room fell into a confused silence. Visibly touched, misty. The emotional intensity of that embrace spoke louder than any word could say. This reunion soon made headlines. Participants, including other players and members of the press, were deeply impressed. Some said the moment reminded them of long-lost love, unfinished stories, or the family they once had. For context, Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel first met on the set of the hit TV series Blood Flowers in 2016. Their on-screen chemistry turned into romance in real life and made them one of the most beloved couples of Turkish television. However, they parted ways in 2018, leaving their fans heartbroken and hoping to be reunited. Following their departure, both players chose to remain low-profile and he did not speak publicly about his personal lives. It continued to be a trend with the tag ##Yağmur*. Every time they shared on social media. Now, after all this time, the emotional response from the mother of Barış fans aroused a new hope among him. He stayed at home and often talks about Yağmur as if he was still part of the family. For Barış's mother, Rain was never just a girlfriend. She was like a girl. After the touching encounter, Yağmur was approached by the reporters. Although he kept his words short, his message was heartfelt. "It was a beautiful and emotional day. My respect and love have not changed. Some bonds don't disappear, they just become silent." With this one sentence, the fans were filled with hope again. Will peace and Rain be able to return to each other? But sources say he was aware of the emotional encounter and was very impressed by it. In addition to speculations, there are whispers that the two may play a role together in the upcoming project. Not only will the screen warm up, but every fan's heart will also warm up. This story tells us, even though it all seems to be over, reminds us that emotions can resurface. Not always lost. Sometimes it just waits quietly in the background. Thank you for watching. If you were impressed by this story, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.